Welcome everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Mailchimp to your Shopify store. If you've been looking for a simple way to sync your Mailchimp email marketing with your Shopify customers and orders, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have your Shopify store fully connected to your Mailchimp account, ready to start sending targeted, automated emails to your customers and watch your business grow. Let's get started right away. First, head over to your Mailchimp dashboard. If you don't already have Mailchimp open, just go to Mailchimp.com and log in with your username and password. Give yourself a moment to get oriented. You should see your account homepage or the main dashboard once you're logged in. Now look for the option for integrations. Usually you'll find this in the sidebar or under your account settings. It might say integrations or connected sites. This is an important step because integrations in Mailchimp are what allow your account to talk to other services like Shopify. So go ahead and select the integrations menu. Here comes the fun part. You'll see a search bar or a list of popular integrations. In the search field, type Shopify. This helps you quickly find the right option among all the supported platforms. When Shopify pops up as a result, click on it to open up the integration details. You should see a clear button or prompt that says Get Started. Go ahead and click that. Think of this as setting up the link between two friends who want to start chatting. Mailchimp and Shopify are about to connect and exchange useful customer information. Next up, you'll be prompted to install the integration. Just follow the prompts, accepting any permissions that are requested. Don't worry, Mailchimp needs access to your Shopify store in order to pull in your contacts and order data, but the process is designed to be secure. At this point, you'll be asked to log into your Shopify account. If you're already logged in on your browser, Mailchimp might detect this and skip ahead for you. If not, just enter your Shopify login info as you normally would. You're signing in so Mailchimp can securely connect to your specific store. Once you're in, you'll likely see an option that says Sync Now. Go ahead and click Sync Now to start connecting your customer data and store activity between Shopify and Mailchimp. This is where the magic really happens. Mailchimp will begin importing your products, customers, and order history. Now, a quick word of reassurance. This part might take some time, especially if you have a large store or a lot of customer data. Don't worry if it doesn't finish instantly, just let it run in the background. You might even want to grab a cup of coffee if it's taking a few minutes. And that's it. Once the sync is finished, your Shopify store is now officially connected to your Mailchimp account. You can start building email campaigns that target your real customers, automate follow-ups after purchases, or set up abandoned cart reminders, whatever your business needs. If you found this walkthrough useful, please hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or got stuck at any part. I'd love to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this so you can get the most out of your marketing tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.